Alright, in order to create a folder, I open up my Google account, my Google account. I open up my Google account, then I go over here to the Google Apps, click on that, then I go to Drive, click on Drive, and then I go over here where it says New, and I click on New, then I click on Folder, then I put my name, last, comma, first name, put my courses, English and Math, and I put 2020, and I hit create. Okay, and then so here's my folder right here. It says last, first, English, Math. Okay, then click on it. Right click. I right clicked it. Okay, so let me do it again. Go to my folder, and I right click, and I hit share. Wait for share to load. Then my name comes up. For you, it says add people and groups. I'm going to put in D. Gorman. Oops. D. Gorman at avhsd.org. So you're sharing it with me. So you're going to put D. Gorman at avhsd.org, and then you're going to hit done. Okay? It's that simple.